lot of people always ask me, what is testosterone? In this video, I'm gonna tell you a way that you will never forget what testosterone is, what it does. See, one of the ways that you can look at your body is as a city. Hormones are like the mail system. They take messages to different houses, buildings. These messages go into these buildings and they deliver messages that people execute. So for instance, this messenger is going to take something to deliver, and in that house, people live, and let's say that they take a letter, right? That letter is a bill. And so the people inside of the house are gonna take that bill and execute on it. So the hormones is like the mail system. The houses are like the organs or the different cells. People inside are like neurotransmitters sending messages from room to room. And as people send messages from room to room, and actions are executed based on the letter that was brought to the house. So the letter are like hormones. The people inside are like neurotransmitters. Now sometimes you actually have to do things inside of this house to be able to create something. And these are called little machines or enzymes. And so these enzymes are like little machines inside the house. And then you have the stuff that holds the house together. These are the structural molecules. So you have the messenger, like the testosterone, like the messaging system. These are the hormones. You have the neurotransmitters sending signals from room to room, or in our nervous system. You have enzymes, or the little machines inside of our cells that are actually creating things and making things happen. And you have this structural molecule that hold everything together. And so how is testosterone made? Well, you see, testosterone made from cholesterol right there, right? But how does the cell know to make testosterone? Well, from the brain, from the hypothalamus right up here, there's a hormone called gonadotropin hormone that goes to the anterior pituitary, which is right down here, and releases, it makes it release luteinizing hormone. This luteinizing hormone goes to the sex organs in the males, which are the testicles, and there are little cells called Leydig cells. Then that makes it through the cell, and then it triggers cholesterol to make pregnenolone. From pregnenolone, then it goes into testosterone. This testosterone can then be transferred into estrogen through this little machine called aromatase. And that, my friends, is how testosterone is made. Now the question is, what is testosterone? Well, remember that it is a messaging system. So it literally works in all the organs. In the brain, it actually improves our cognition, our libido, and our mood. In the muscle, it increases muscle gains. In the kidney, it makes the kidneys make blood. In the bone marrow, it makes them make stem cells. In the bones, it actually accelerates linear growth of the bones. In the male organs, it actually creates the male organs, penile growth, prostate growth. In the liver, it actually makes the proteins that make our blood. And in the skin, it actually makes the oils that keep our skin. Imagine that you have everything working, but the messengers are not working right. The hormones are not working hard. You are going to be looking like this, right? All of the city, like what we talked about, and all of the hormones in the messenger are working right, then you could be looking like this. And forget about the looks from the outside. The most important thing is what is happening inside, is when everything is working properly. You are firing at all cylinders.